Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Okay, boys and girls, today you are going to need 2 different colored crayons for our rainbow words. I am going to use red and blue. The first word we're going to do today is the word at. At. With my red crayon, I'm going to write the word at. At. Going to trace the word again with my blue crayon. At. Our next word is bat. B-A-T, bat. With your first crayon, please write bat. B-A-T, bat. With your second crayon, please trace the word bat. B-A-T, bat. Our next word is the word cat. K-A-T, cat. With your first crayon, please write the word cat. K-A-T, cat. With your second crayon, please trace the word cat. K-A-T, cat. Our next word is the word hat. Hat, hat. With that first crayon, please write the word hat. At, hat. With your second crayon, please trace the word hat. At, hat. Our next word is pal. P-A-L, pal. A pal is a friend. With your first crayon, please write the word pal. P-A-L, pal. With your second crayon, please trace pal. P-A-L, pal. Our next word is bag. B-A-G, bag. With your first crayon, please write bag. B-A-G, bag. With your second crayon, please trace the word bag. B-A-G, bag. Next, we have cap. K-A-P, cap. With our first word, please write cap. K-A-P, cap. Our second crayon, please trace cap. K-A-P, cap. Our next word is had. H-A-D, had. Please write the word had. H-A-D, had. Please trace the word had. Had. Our next word is nab. N-A-B. Nab. First crayon, nab. N-A-B. Nab. Next crayon, please trace nab. N-A-B. Nab. Our next word is tag. T-A-G. Tag. With your first crayon, please write tag. T-A-G. Our second crayon, please trace tag. T-A-G. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great. Okay, my friends, we are doing spell and find. We are going to spell and find words with short A. Short A says ah, ah, ah. Our first word is bag. B-A-G. Bag. So then I'm going to come down here to the bottom and I'm going to find the picture of a bag. Here it is at the bottom. B-A-G. Bag. Then I'm going to want to find it in our word search. And I see the word bag right here. B-A-G. Please circle the word bag in our word search. Our next word is cat. K-A-T. Cat. Please come to the bottom and find a picture of a cat and write the word cat. K-A-T. Cat. Then we go up to our word search and find the word cat. K-A-T. Oh, I see it. Right next to the B in bag is the C for cat. K-A-T. Cat. Please circle the word cat. Our next word is the word pan. P-A-N. Pan. Please come to the bottom and find a picture of a pan, like a pan that you cook with. P-A-N. Pan. Then we're going to go up to our word search and we are going to find the word pan. And I see it here on the side. P-A-N. Pan. Please circle the word pan. Our next word is van. V-A-N. Van. Please write van under the picture of a van. V-A-N. Van. Then we go up to our word search and find the word van. Oh, here on the bottom row. V-A-N. Van. It shares an N with pan. Please circle van. Our next word is bat. B-A-T. Bat. Please write the word bat under a picture of a bat. B-A-T. Bat. And then we go to the top for our word search to find the word bat. Oh, I see the word bat on the very top row. B-A-T. Bat. And our last word is cap. Cap. A cap is another word for hat. Cap. Cap. Then we go up to our word search to find the word cap. Oh, I see the C on the top row going down. Cap. Please circle the word cap. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great. I'm proud of your hard work.